What's good, world? It is your boy 𝙁𝙗𝙬, and you are back for another episode of Easy Vegan Snacks. As you already know, thank you for joining me. If you didn't, go check out last week's video, which was the Buddha bowls I believe we made. The Instagram girls, you should love it. Vegan ladies, you should extra love it. But if you didn't go watch that video, stop it right now, press pause, go watch that, check it out. Today, not only do I have something super delicious for you, it's healthy, but I also have a super special guest. It's going to be lit. We out here enjoying this California sun and some vegetables, of course. So today, what I've decided is, everybody asks me, yo, you want to go to a cookout? You want to go to a barbecue? Cookout is what black people call barbecues, just so you guys know. So when they ask me, do I want to come? I can't eat ribs. I just gotta watch you guys eat delicious chicken and lick your fingers. But now I got you guys, rabbits that are like me. I got you with not only one, but two delicious courses you can make and bring to a party. So we're not starving, you feel me? So let's go enjoy some more vegetables and follow me. And as promised, we have some extra healthy stuff, and I have an amazing guest from Instagram.
Hello, I'm Jennifer_U_ on Instagram.
Yes, and she is here with me, ready to make some simple snacks. Are you ready to taste some good food?
Yes, I am.
The star of the show, vegan cheese. First thing I'm gonna do is smell the cheese.
It smells like regular cheese.
That's what I think too. It's almost like Kraft sandwich. What do you think?
Yeah, it's just a little bland, but it's still good. But I'll still eat it.
I thought it was gonna be trash, to be honest with you, but it's not bad. So we're gonna make some potato salad. I have some potatoes I parboiled for, I don't know, 8 minutes. Dijon mustard, vegan mayo, tastes just like regular mayo. And I just have a little bit of red onion that I found in the fridge. Then we're gonna have a cheese plate. It's gonna be these vegan crackers we have here, fake people cheese, some blackberries that I have here, and top it with some agave nectar. Looks fancy, looks bougie, super simple. It's healthy. So, ready to start?
Yes.
You want to get these face down, flesh side down, get them real crispy.
So these are the vegan crackers we're using today, and they're from Mary's Gone Crackers. It's a bit dry, but the taste is really interesting.
Our potatoes nice and brown. Almost done. Once your potatoes turn my color, you flip them over, like that. Alright, done with it. We're going to do my favorite part, seasoning. Go ahead and get some fresh salt on there. I'll put a little cayenne pepper, and I'm going to put a little turmeric, great for your digestion. So I'm going to allow Jennifer to add the mayo, the vegan mayo, maybe about 3 spoonfuls, and we'll see how it looks. So we have our Dijon mixed it in, and now we're going to add our red onion that I found. I like onion, so maybe about a 1/4 cup. Boom. See that? Simple. You just leave it like this, plastic wrap, put it in the fridge, a couple hours, do whatever you want to do, live life, come back to it, it'll be ready to go. So that's what we're going to do now, and then we're going to prepare the other snack we're bringing to the party. Okay, now we're going to top it with some blackberries that we've washed. And for a little added sweetness, we're going to add this agave syrup. I brought them out again. What all the girls love. Flowers. Do you like flowers?
I love flowers.
You heard that. She loves flowers. Make sure you have these on deck at your crib at all times. And now we have our potato salad out of the fridge. After some time, we have our bougie hors d'oeuvres prepared.
They look beautiful.
So now it's time for us to taste.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. A lot of textures. A lot of flavors. So we're 1 for 1. Now, the potato salad. 1 for you. Some green onion on there. Everything's well coated.
That one's really good.
You won't even know it's vegan. So, I'd like to thank my lovely guest for coming. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Make sure you follow her Instagram. We'll pop that on the screen magically. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, obviously. And make sure you check out all the videos we bring to you because they're all fire. Duh. Yeah. Make sure you stay healthy, stay awesome, stay medicated. And until next time.
Bye.